Hi there and welcome. You may have seen a few weeks ago I took a look at the Galanz 4-in-1 ToastWave oven, and as promised I said I would try out the air fryer function. That's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to be making blackened chicken wings, but today I am going to just be using a store-bought blackened seasoning because my main purpose today is to see how well the Galanz 4-in-1 ToastWave Oven Air Fryer function works. But next week's video we'll make our own blackened seasoning. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. All right, I have my drumettes and flats. There's 6 wings here. This is supposed to be a pound. Thought there might be a few more wings in here than 6, but it is what it is. It doesn't really matter. I will be using this blackened seasoning by Spiceology. I got this at Thrive Market. If you don't know what Thrive Market is, it's an online store. It is a membership store. They sell natural and organic products at a cheaper price. I'm not sure if you can get this anywhere else. I'm sure your local grocery store has some sort of blackened seasoning mix, or you can absolutely make your own. If you're interested in checking Thrive Market out, I will leave a link down below. The ingredients says paprika, garlic, spices, onion, and salt. Now I'm going to go in with the blackened seasoning mix, and I'm going to be very generous. I'm going to get this all mixed in well. Going in with some more. And a little bit more. This is the Galanz air fryer tray. It has the base here and the top. I'm just going to put our wings on top here. This sure does smell good. And in we go. Place it just right on top of the turntable. Now I can either use the preset or put in my own time, which I was going to do, but I think we should go ahead and try out the preset function and see how that does. So the preset functions are on the side here. Here's the air fry. Chicken wings are going to be number 3, and then we put in how many pounds or ounces that we have. So we're going to hit air fry twice. Remember, we want number 3 for chicken wings, so I'm over here on the dial doing that. Press the dial. It's asking us the weight, so I have a pound, supposedly, 16 ounces. And I'm going to press the dial again, and there we go. Okay, 40 minutes is what this is saying. And my Cook's Essentials, which I'm not going to judge this at all, takes 20 minutes. So we'll see what happens, but trust me, I will check this about 20 minutes in and see how we're doing. I'm jumping back on here real quick. There should be no flipping involved with this. The air should be circulating around from top to bottom. That's a plus. Okay, we are 20 minutes in, and I really want to check these out. They are sizzling away. I don't know how well you can see these, but they are looking really good. Let's go ahead and take a temp on a few of these. All right, this is why I do not like to use the presets, because in my experience, I just do not find them very reliable for the most part. I'm at over 200 degrees on this one. This one was like, oh, I don't even remember. Let me get this bigger one here. Okay, we are good. 20 minutes, not 40. I just noticed I only have one flat. That is so wrong. Delicious. Juicy. These turned out excellent. They're nice and juicy. The skin is crispy. By the way, I just have some ranch here. The Galanz 4-in-1 ToastWave did an excellent job. Took the same amount of time as my Cook's Essentials air fryer. absolutely delicious. So as you just saw, the Galanz 4-in-1 ToastWave oven did an excellent job with air frying. Remember, next week we will make our own blackened seasoning. I'm going to be doing chicken legs. Here are a few other air fryer videos you might want to check out next. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.